Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Huge volatility today in Virgin Galactic. We also got a divergence top. So, gap up, running up. We were watching this 41.22 to 41.60 area right in here for our major cluster, spiking just through that to 42.49 and then dropping back down, all the way down to a low of 30.56. That's what I'm saying. This is right now we're trading what did we close at? What did we close at today? 37.23. So $37 stock, and we had a high-low range of 42.49 to 30.56. So that's nearly $12 on a $37 stock. That's absurd volatility. This thing is getting way overdone. So I'm advising people, again, I'll keep saying it, be very careful. And if you don't know what you're doing, you should not be in the stock. You have to be very fast, very nimble. And a lot of people will probably end up getting hurt on this one eventually. So I'm going to extend this now from a reverse Gann box to a forward Gann box. Okay, so we're going to forward harmonics. We have some resistance right here at this 38.72 area to about 30. You can watch about 39. Above 39, we'll start watching for a return to that 42.50 area. Then above that, we have a major cluster at 44.50 area, 44.20 to 44.50, and then 45.94. If you want another idea of the longer-term chart levels above that 45, we got, look, that reinforces that. So if we take this as a pausing bar and move our longer term levels up, so he's now at 44.21, 45.94, nearly dead on with two key levels. We have this shorter one, see here, let me move it out of the way so you can see. So you see if I move this up that high, we got two levels lining up there. So that's going to be a very key level, 45.94. That's the one I pay attention to. Then 49.21. Whoa. All right, already updated the retracement levels. The divergence would be confirmed, interesting enough, on a move below this low, but that's all the way back down at 30. So if we were to get down there, people would be happy but unhappy if you were trading from the long side. And also if we get a close really below that low, we can get into this little open air space. So if we start dropping below the this area right around here, this 35, then we'll start watching for support coming in about 32 to 33, 32.50 to 33. Dropping below that, then we're going to really start eyeing today's low, which was 30.56, and below that, then we have a cluster right here, 20. We're just going to call it 29, and the 4-hour rotation zone is at 27.50. So there are lots of key levels. When you start seeing this kind of price action, and why it's a divergence, you can see higher high in price action, significantly lower high in the RSI. So that means it's running out of momentum. It doesn't have to reverse. Remember, these can form multiple divergences. I don't know why that's happening. Multiple divergences, but it's a warning sign that momentum's waning, and it could either travel sideways or get a pullback. And in stocks like this, it's generally a pullback. You can see this outside bar day. Now, what's an outside bar? We had a higher high than the prior day and a lower low. This is a very interesting, not often seen pattern. So inside bar followed by an outside bar. Lots of volatility, contraction, and expansion, even though this was a wide range bar. Daily price action. Right down here, that 29.50. $30. So if we easily return that would only take us to the top of the rotation zone, which hasn't been hit in a few days. You can see it's very high volume on another reversal bar. So this reversal bar, high volume, this reversal bar, high volume, also indicative of a potential top. But again, we won't know. There's no definitive sell signal besides that divergence. So there's nothing else there yet. And remember, next week, I think it's on the 25th. I'll have to confirm that. Next week there is earnings, which is definitely going to cause another shakeup. If we did sell through the 29 level, Then we have 25.69, and then the rotation zone, the bottom of it, is all the way back at about 23.50. And this thing could return there to the bottom of the rotation zone, whether it does it tomorrow or some other time. Now, this is going to keep moving, but keep that in mind. It would not surprise us at some point, as whatever price action unfolds, to see it hit this blue line, whether this comes up and then price action comes down, whether it pauses and this moves up. That's a key area we'll be watching to take us out of this major overbought condition. Again, be very careful. Know the levels. Know what levels you're taking action at. We're not trying to call tops or bottoms. These are levels we take action at, like move stops, take partial profits, do some kind of action. That's what we're trying to teach people, that they just shouldn't go in there blindly without a plan. That's why we've developed these levels, because it helps us know when things are overdone, what kind of measured moves we should do, and where we should take actions. So we have for you on Virgin Galactic, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.